Here we are on the grind. We got this little square room. This should be a piece of cake day. We got this square room to do right here, and also a square living room right in there. I won't get yet because it's been vacuumed up by the client. But not doing that. We're gonna make a seam right here in the doorway. Leave that existing in the bathroom and closet, thankfully. And a little square room here and a little square living room. And a square living room here. Should be a piece of cake. Again, no closets, no anything. Working to hardwood over there. We got, I don't know if that looks like sheet vinyl in here, so I'll take that up and reuse that metal because I don't have any. But outside of that, super square, super easy. As usual, these tack strips. A lot of them has been replaced, but they're still a little too far for my liking, so I will be tearing them up and putting new down. I mean, ouch. I can get like 2 fingers in behind there, so it's definitely too far. Okay, we are all ready to go for carpet. We got new tack strip, new pad. We do have our edges, our staple marks covered with tape because they do have animals here, so we covered all of our slits and staple marks, so it's complete moisture barrier. Once again, Z-bar right over here. Z-bar, whoops, got a little slit right there we need to take care of. Luke, if you'll grab this real quick, please. Piece of tape. And right there's a little slit. And the same thing in here. So that looks like a big gully like that, but if you look straight down, it is what it should be. And right in here, this is a 3/4 wood, but I didn't shim it up because the carpet we're working is it's a pretty thick carpet. So by the time I get that down there, I believe it's going to be real nice and flush, and that's what we strive for. And again, taped around the edges. All our holes are covered. Everything is ready to go. Client come in here a while ago, it's like, man, makes me wish I had got white carpet. Just looks so nice and clean. Let's go get some rug. Notice I got me a little hump up in the carpet right here. Always want to get this is going to be a long seam to join to that. So I want to make sure I get it perfect. So therefore I want to start right here. But I don't want to have to deal with this great big piece. So put me a little wrinkle right there. And now, see that? I only got a couple feet of carpet to deal with when I need to move it, shift it, or whatever. And it's super easy to do rather than dealing with that whole big piece. Just a little tip. Alrighty, getting going in here. We tied off over there. Got our stretches to here. We got this much done. Stretch that wall back with this. Setting it, fixing to go long ways. Then we'll finish up toward me this direction. I chose to do it like that because we have Z-bar right there and hardwood to work to right there. Anytime we're working to something small like that, Z-bar or tack strip to a tile, hardwood, or whatever, I like to stretch to those situations like that rather than away from. That way I can be assured that it's getting a really good bite on the tack strip and I'm not going to have any issues with it ever pulling off. Rather, if I was to do this, there is a chance that it could pull off if I stretched away from it. But with me stretching up to it, it's done deal. Alrighty, and another one bashed the dust, another one bashed the dust, another one down, and another one down, and another one bashed the dust, ka-ka. They're gonna be replacing this with tile, so I just kinda Z-barred my carpet and staple this straight down to my Z-bar. So I done better fixing to get tile in the kitchen also. So I just Z-barred over there too. I was happy with this. It did work out like 99.9% flush, so I was glad of that. I knew it was going to be like that with thick carpet. These pins on the tack strip are actually a little bit shorter than what I'm used to. I don't even know if they know that where I bought these at. I'm gonna have to ask them if they know that and what actual size they are. I didn't know. They may be J pins or something like that. I'll have to look on the box. Now that I think about it, I ain't even looked on the box to see what's going on with them. I definitely noticed when I started the install that there was a smaller pin, and I didn't even put felt over the Z-bar nor up there like I did because I had just enough pins sticking out to get the carpet.